Hi everyone, here's your work list for today, Friday the 22nd of January. I hope you're all well, and we're at the end of our second week, which is really hard to believe, but we've been working incredibly hard. I'm really proud of all of you. Yourselves and your parents are obviously working so very hard, and it shows great maturity and great initiative from a lot of you who've been doing extra work, who've been taking notes while watching the videos and PowerPoints I've sent up, and sending me in voice notes, sending me in clips of you doing some reading. It's really great to see, and what's also important for me to say is that I'm not surprised. That is the sort of thing I've come to expect from this class, so I'm not surprised, but I am very impressed. So well done, and keep it up, and you all deserve a big rest this weekend for the great work you've been doing all week. Well done. And yes, so today, again, it's Friday, and because of our Zoom today at 11, there's not as much work as there usually is. But we still have our core work of English, Maths and Irish today, and then our Zoom, which will be our tests, and of course we'll have a few games as well, if time allows. Okay, so today's Zoom link, I don't have it here on the video, again, because there's a possibility that this video might be seen by others, so I don't want to have any private information on it. But the document you receive on the classroom page will have the link in it as well, and I'll also put it up as an announcement closer to the time too. Okay, so for our English, we have just 2 bits of better English, nothing too difficult there, just to keep us working at that. And busy at maths, again, same page as yesterday, but just question 5. We did question 1 to 4 yesterday, and we're just doing question 5. And Gaeilge, again, we're using our Buna Kainche. You, like I said, and this will be the last time I'll say it, you don't have the book. Don't worry, I didn't give you the book purposely. So there will be a video on the classroom page showing exactly what I want you to do, and also I'll put a photograph of the page up on the Google homepage so that we can work from that. But that's it, guys. I hope to see a good few of you on the Zoom call at 11 for our spelling test. And remember, the video of myself reading out the Irish spellings is up there if you have one quick look back on. And I think that is it. So 11 o'clock, I'll see you there. And for those who can't make it at 11, have a really lovely and relaxing and restful weekend, and we'll get back at it on Monday. Okay guys, bye for now.